What's up, Crypto Nation, and welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. We're kicking things off with some explosive news. Bitcoin has just surged past $115,000, hitting a 3-week high. This massive climb is being fueled by a combination of relief from softer U.S. inflation data and a steady stream of cash pouring into Bitcoin ETFs, signaling a huge boost in investor confidence and optimism that the Fed might be ready to cut rates. But is this rally sustainable? Or are there hidden dangers lurking just beneath the surface? Next up, we're heading over to Türkiye, where the ride-hailing and micro-mobility scene is getting a serious crypto boost. We're talking about Marti, a company looking to unlock massive growth in next-generation mobility solutions, and they're doing it by integrating Bitcoin exposure. Could this be the key to unlocking a new era of transportation innovation in emerging markets, and what does it mean for the future of crypto adoption? Hold on to your hats, because things get wild in Hong Kong. Cops have just arrested 2 technicians in a sophisticated Bitcoin power heist. These guys were allegedly stealing massive amounts of electricity from disabled care homes to power their illegal Bitcoin mining operations, leaving the facilities with astronomical bills and raising serious questions about security and oversight. We've got the full scoop on how they pulled it off and the potential consequences. And finally, the U.S. government is making some serious moves, seeking a staggering $5 million in Bitcoin that was allegedly stolen through widespread SIM swap attacks. We're breaking down how these sophisticated attacks work, how the stolen funds were laundered, and what this means for the ongoing fight against crypto fraud. Stick around, because you won't want to miss any of these incredible stories. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on. Bitcoin rockets to $115,000 amidst inflation relief and ETF frenzy. Bitcoin has just shattered expectations, climbing to a thrilling 3-week high of $115,500. This incredible surge is being powered by a potent cocktail of positive economic signals. Softer U.S. inflation data has investors buzzing with the possibility of a Federal Reserve rate cut next week, injecting a powerful dose of optimism into the market. Adding fuel to the fire, Bitcoin ETFs are seeing consistent, substantial inflows, with over $928 million pouring in, proving that both retail and institutional investors are doubling down on their commitment. Ethereum has also joined the rally, breaking above $4,550, and even altcoins like Solana and Dogecoin are showing impressive gains, with Solana jumping over 7% and Dogecoin up 5%, painting a picture of broad market strength. But it's not all clear skies. While the momentum is undeniable, Bitcoin is facing a significant hurdle just above the $116,000 mark, where sellers are stepping in, indicating that further gains might be challenging. Derivatives data paints a cautious picture too, with a put-call ratio of 1.3 suggesting bearish bets slightly outweigh bullish ones, hinting that many traders anticipate Bitcoin to trade within a range, likely between $111,000 and $116,000. Furthermore, CryptoQuant's Bull Score Index is flashing bearish signals across key indicators, warning that a sudden sentiment shift could lead to profit-taking or liquidations. Even Sean Ono Lennon, son of the legendary John Lennon, has weighed in, praising Bitcoin as a crucial hedge against runaway money printing. This adds a unique cultural endorsement to Bitcoin's narrative as a scarce, decentralized asset in uncertain economic times. However, with resistance strong and bearish indicators present, the question remains: can Bitcoin break through this critical level and push towards $118,000, or will these looming signals pull it back below $110,000? Don't go anywhere, because the market isn't the only thing heating up. We've got a story about a company unlocking growth with a surprising crypto connection. Next, we're diving into how Marti is leveraging Bitcoin exposure to revolutionize ride-hailing in Türkiye. Marti, riding the Bitcoin wave to unlock Türkiye's mobility future. Get ready to explore a fascinating intersection of technology and finance as we look at Marti, a company poised to make major waves in Türkiye's burgeoning ride-hailing and micro-mobility sector. In regions where mobility solutions are still developing, companies like Marti have a golden opportunity to redefine how people move, and they're integrating Bitcoin exposure into their strategy to capitalize on this potential. This move by Marti isn't just about offering rides. It's about tapping into the global appeal and increasing acceptance of digital assets. By incorporating Bitcoin, Marti could be opening up new avenues for investment, payment, and user engagement, potentially attracting a tech-savvy demographic and differentiating itself in a competitive market. This strategy could serve as a blueprint for other mobility startups in emerging economies, demonstrating how digital currencies can be a powerful tool for growth and innovation. The broader implications for the crypto space are also significant. Increased adoption by companies like Marti in diverse sectors signals a maturing cryptocurrency market, moving beyond pure speculation to real-world utility. This could foster greater mainstream acceptance and encourage further development of crypto-integrated services, not just in transportation, but across various industries. Analysts are watching closely to see if this bold move by Marti will indeed unlock significant growth and set a new trend for mobility solutions worldwide. But while some are embracing crypto for growth, others are using it for much more illicit purposes. Prepare for a wild story out of Hong Kong. Next, we're uncovering a shocking Bitcoin power heist that's got the cops scrambling. Bitcoin power heist: technicians arrested for draining care homes in Hong Kong. In a bizarre and brazen crime, Hong Kong police have arrested 2 technicians suspected of orchestrating a sophisticated Bitcoin power heist, siphoning electricity from disabled care homes to fuel their cryptocurrency mining operations. The 2 men, aged 32 and 33, allegedly installed 8 Bitcoin mining devices hidden within the suspended ceilings of 2 care home offices, leading to astronomical electricity bills for the unsuspecting facilities, with monthly costs skyrocketing by HK$8,000-9,000, approximately US $1,153. These mining rigs were continuously powered by the victims' electricity and internet connections, turning the care homes into unwitting power stations for illicit crypto mining. The scheme was uncovered when IT personnel at one facility noticed a severe drop in internet speed. Their investigation led to the discovery of the unauthorized equipment concealed above the office ceiling. Following this, the Sham Shui Po Technology and Financial Crime Squad initiated a probe, uncovering similar devices at another care home in Kwantong. Inspector NGTS Ziwing revealed that the suspects, employees of an engineering company, exploited a facility upgrade in August to link the mining machines to the electrical and network systems, emphasizing that this appears to be an independent operation with no signs of a larger syndicate. This incident highlights the immense power consumption of Bitcoin mining, which requires computers to run non-stop, akin to running air conditioning 24/7. The high operational costs can tempt individuals to take illegal shortcuts. Inspector NG urged the public and organizations to meticulously monitor electricity bills and closely supervise contractors during renovations, warning that unusual power usage or network slowdowns could be red flags for illegal mining activities. In Hong Kong, electricity theft carries a severe penalty, with a maximum sentence of 5 years imprisonment under the theft ordinance. This case serves as a stark reminder of the growing problem of illicit electricity theft to power cryptocurrency mining, and the lengths some will go to, even at the expense of vulnerable institutions. From power thieves to government seizures, the world of crypto crime is getting serious attention. Next, we're diving into a massive $5 million Bitcoin seizure by the U.S. government. U.S. Justice Department seeks $5 million in Bitcoin from elaborate SIM swap scheme. The U.S. Justice Department is making a significant move in its crackdown on cryptocurrency fraud, filing a civil forfeiture complaint to seize over $5 million worth of Bitcoin allegedly stolen through a series of sophisticated SIM swap attacks. These attacks, which occurred between October 2022 and March 2023, targeted at least 5 victims across the United States, demonstrating the escalating risks associated with hijacking mobile phone numbers to steal digital assets. U.S. Attorney Jeanine Ferris-Pirot highlighted the gravity of these attacks, explaining how criminals exploit SIM swapping to intercept SMS authentication codes, thereby gaining unauthorized access to victims' crypto wallets and draining their funds. The DOJ's complaint details a complex money laundering operation where the stolen Bitcoin was moved through numerous cryptocurrency wallets before being consolidated into a single account used to fund an online casino, StakeCom. Authorities identified at least 32 intricate transactions involving deposits and withdrawals between March 20 and March 22, 2023, a tactic designed to obscure the origin of the illicit funds and make them appear legitimate. This case underscores the advanced methods criminals are employing to layer and legitimize stolen cryptocurrency, posing a significant challenge for law enforcement. Brett D. Skiles, special agent in charge of the FBI's Miami field office, stated that this action is part of broader, ongoing operations targeting cybercrime networks that utilize digital assets. The Justice Department has intensified its efforts against cryptocurrency fraud, with its computer crime and intellectual property section having charged and convicted over 180 cybercriminals since 2020, and successfully assisted victims in recovering more than $350 million. This recent action, along with previous seizures like $225 million in Tether, signals the government's unwavering determination to combat financial crime in the digital asset space, especially as FBI data shows crypto fraud losses have surged 66% between 2023 and 2024, affecting nearly 200,000 victims with over $9 billion in reported losses. This case is a clear indicator of the U.S. government's commitment to dismantling even the most sophisticated crypto criminal enterprises. That's a wrap on the headlines, but we're not done yet. Stick around for a lightning-fast recap and our full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw Bitcoin surge past $115,000 on inflation relief and ETF inflows, while Marti aims to unlock growth in Türkiye with Bitcoin exposure. We also uncovered a shocking Bitcoin power heist in Hong Kong involving care home technicians, and the U.S. government is pursuing $5 million in Bitcoin linked to SIM swap attacks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social media channels. We'll see you in the next one.